sure you cover the whole top. And go ahead and just take your hands. Wow, that's so cool. See how the wind is helping? It's great. See how I'm flattening these edges? Just like that. Gently. I have my phone and my wallet, your car key, and your watch. Yep. Here. This right against the side like that.
Okay.
Your white claw. Take them.
It's so smart. Oh, there's one more.
Close. Just like that. Start filling in all of this space.
Why did you do this?
Well, when you're on the beach, if your stuff is just laying out on the beach, anybody can see it and come up and steal it. But with this, everything is completely safe. It's like nothing is even here. Just like that. And there you go.
Is it cold?
It's cold. It's an ice cold drink. And no one will even know. Bury it again,
Amazing.
and you're good to go.